Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube series. Um, my name is Joe, and for those who don't know, this game I am playing is called Minecraft. There are a lot of people who play and record their Minecraft sessions, and this is known as a Let's Play. Um, People watch it. um, some people are entertaining and funny, and they get lots of viewers. Other people are informative about the game. The game is it's an open world sandbox type of game, so you can walk around and do lots of things. Um, what makes my show different, and I hope means that people will watch, is that uh, I'm going to try and make this an Irish language program. Um, we're going to learn Irish together. I must admit that I do have a bit of a head start. It's not a big head start, but it is a head start. So, um, by no means am I a professional at Minecraft or Irish Gaelic or public speaking, as you can tell by the amount I say or the long pauses that you will inevitably hear. I will also admit that I am a bit of a potty mouth. So, quick disclaimer here. I will swear, and I will swear a lot. So this show, I'm going to say, is going to be for a more mature audience. I would not recommend letting your kids watch, even if you want them to learn Irish Gaelic. So, just going to throw that out there right now. I'm going to try and keep swearing to a minimum, but I will do it, and I will probably do it frequently. Now, the goal of the Let's Play, there's really no goal to Minecraft. So, if you are unfamiliar with Minecraft, don't expect some kind of end result. And what I'm doing right now is actually kind of very boring for you, I'm sure. I'm building houses. I'm building a little town here. And one of the other goals is not only learning Irish, but I'm going to hopefully get some other Irish speakers on the server. The problem is I don't know any. But hopefully, there are a lot of people who do play Minecraft. So I'm hoping, obviously this is going to be a very niche server, but I'm hoping there are going to be people out there who will want to join and speak Irish Gaelic. Maybe there's some Minecraft players out there who are like, I want to learn another language, and this is fun. Minecraft is actually very popular in Europe, so I'd imagine at some point there's got to be somebody who knows some Irish and would like to speak it more regularly. We'll talk about lots of things as far as the Irish language goes. Its status in Ireland. There's I don't follow politics or Irish government stuff a lot, but it seems there are lots of people who want to learn and use it, and I guess there's a big problem sometimes with, I don't know if it's the local governments or the, I guess you'd call it the national government of Ireland, as far as Irish being taught in the schools. So, I'm going to try and avoid talking about that stuff, and I'm going to try, maybe some word of the day type word of the day type things, and, really try and work Irish in. One of the problems that I find trying to learn Irish is not so much a lack of resources. When I first started trying to learn 10 years ago, there was a lack of resources. But, in that 10 years, there's been a large buildup of online resources. YouTube became popular in that time frame. So yeah, it's quite a different world to be learning Irish in. So I feel it's really helpful to actually have, more resources than I used to. And again, even though I said, I've been trying for 10 years, I'm I'm very beginner. So that's all you're going to get from this show. It's going to be a lot of English with maybe a few Irish words thrown in. And I'm hoping that as the series goes on, I will be using more and more Irish words, and then I'll probably start a series that is less beginnery and more intermediate at the very least. And hopefully we can get some people on the server, so there would be a lot more Irish being spoken. So that's why I'm building this little town. I'm hoping to get, maybe 15 houses in here. I haven't actually played Minecraft in weeks, but I've been playing Minecraft for a fair amount of time. I want to say at least 4 years or so now. Oh, more than that. Oh, God, almost maybe 6 or 5. I don't know, actually. I'll have to look that up. And again, I'm not really a Minecraft expert, but I do play a lot. A lot. And one of the things in that time frame of playing Minecraft is, if I had only spent that time learning Irish, I might be a better speaker. So it's always been a dream of mine to combine the two, and we're going to do that. One of the things I'm going to do too is I'm going to switch my Minecraft language in game over to Irish. I'm not going to do that right now, but I will be doing that in a future episode. I've done it before, and it gets confusing. So things like stone bricks, we're going to see as Irish. If you saw at the bottom there, as I scrolled over stone bricks, in my hotbar, it says stone bricks. So that's going to be it for this first episode. I should also point out that I do not live in Ireland, which, is part of the reason why it is very tough for me to find other Irish speakers and to use it regularly enough to learn it. One of the things I do struggle with, I live in America, so one of the things is, having the content available. I try and listen to Irish radio during the day at work, and, it's work kind of gets in the way. I spend more of my focus on that. And of course, with Irish radio, there's not really... It's radio, so there's not a lot of context to it. So occasionally I do try and watch, maybe an Irish TV show or something like that. But again, it can be very hard. And, usually when I come home from work at the end of the day, I just want to not use my brain. So, trying to squeeze time in for the language is very tough. I'm actually up past my bedtime right now, recording this, because, if I keep putting it off, it'll never get done. So, this is just going to be the first episode, is me walking around doing really nothing. Taking a quick tour of our future village here. I'm going to clean a lot of this up. It looks really bad, and I shouldn't have started here. But you can see the sun is setting now, and if you don't play Minecraft, when the sun sets, monsters come out. We'll see enough of them in the future. But for now, we're going to skip it. We're going to keep this to a quick, under 10-minute episode. One of the things, obviously, I wanted to go with kind of a very rural Ireland type of theme here, with the houses I'm building. And over here is going to be sort of, shops or shopa. Shopana? See, these are the things I don't know. I think shopa is definitely just shop, but I think shopana might be the plural. I'm not sure. Again, I'm not an Irish language expert, so if I say something wrong, correct me. This is why we're going to do this little experiment here with this channel. We're going to learn together. And if you've already learned, you're going to be helping me out, and you're going to be helping lots of people out, hopefully. Unless we get like 5 viewers, and then you won't be helping a lot of people. But that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you for watching this far, and hopefully I will see you in episode 2. Ihewa.